Honorable Emre of East Shillong to participate in the debate of Governor's address.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, I too rise to participate in the motion of thanks to the Governor's address, sir. So we appreciate the government's effort to expand and strengthen the police force in the state. In his address, sir, the Honorable Governor has rightly emphasized not only on the need to strengthening the force, but also to attend to the welfare of the foot soldiers who dedicate so much to this demanding profession. It is important that the police department initiates a comprehensive land audit, sir, to evaluate its properties across the state and invest in housing facilities for its personnel. So valuable spaces within the Sadar Police complex in Police Bazaar can be redeveloped to provide basic housing for the growing police force. At present, sir, the buildings are in a dilapidated condition. Just 3 weeks back, I attended a funeral of one of the police force's nephews that lived in that location, and I could see that the police personnel are occupying these quarters and face considerable hardships due to their dilapidated state. So the 1st MLP Battalion campus, which sprawls over a large area, also requires urgent attention and redevelopment. Within these premises, sir, I was privileged to attend a program in the School of the Police, a very old school that has served generations of police children for decades now. We are very grateful that the Honorable Governor has announced the Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund, which will go a long way in addressing such long neglected interventions. So we also express our gratitude to the government for the Norman Song Police Outpost, the construction of which is progressing very, very well. So the Limekra Police Station complex was renovated in the past. However, several families continue to live in a deplorable condition in the old Assam-type houses that could not be included in the scheme sanctioned sometime, I believe, during 2005-06, during the tenure of late R.G. Jingnoh, sir. Sir, the traffic branch of the Limekra Police also requires reconstruction and review. At present, sir, due to the space constraints, vehicles are parked along the roadside. As the existing infrastructure cannot accommodate the daily increase in traffic-related enforcement activities, such as compounding of violations and others, there is adequate space, sir, behind the complex that can be utilized for this very purpose. So Rinja Police Station, which partially falls under my constituency, also requires urgent attention. To my knowledge, this station continues to operate from a rented premises. So we place on record our sincerest appreciation for the dedication and service of the men and women of the police force, who contribute immensely to the maintenance of law and order, ensuring the safety and well-being of the citizens of Shillong. We are really grateful to the Honorable Governor for highlighting welfare measures for the khaki uniform. So at Para 10, we are grateful to the government for providing mobile forensic vehicles to every district. We urge the government, sir, to ensure that there is adequate manpower to efficiently utilize these resources. If gaps exist, sir, the department must take immediate steps to bridge them by initiating the necessary proposals and securing appropriate sanctions for the same. So we are aware that justice can only be delivered when evidence is professionally collected, preserved, and presented before the courts of law. It is disheartening to observe that many victims of crimes are denied relief when often offenders escaped accountability due to deficiencies in investigation and evidence handling, causing further distress to those who have already suffered harm beyond imagination.